Ciao to everyone!
Hello, good morning!
Today we are here to prepare another video recipe because the Christmas is at the door, and this time we are going to prepare what is in tradition in our family.
So, we will start. Cappelletti broth. Here are the ingredients for the broth: mixed vegetables, onions, carrots, celery and tomatoes. Then we have the capons. For the smell we have some cloves and some salt. For the homemade pasta we have egg and durum. Here are the ingredients for the filling: 3 kinds of meat: sausage, chicken and meat. Then we have breadcrumb, nutmeg for the smell and grated parmesan. We are going now to prepare the stock. We already put the vegetables and now we are going to put cloves and capons. We are going to boil our stock at least 2 hours at medium-low fire. Continue our recipe for Cappelletti broth. Let's start to make the dough. We need the flour, that is half normal flour and half durum, 1 egg and a little bit of salt. We put all together and we start to mix to make a dough. Okay, we finish our dough by hand and then we rest like 15 minutes, envelope in the plastic. Okay, let's rest. We are going to prepare now the filling that we are cooked a little bit, it's not raw. So first thing, we melt some butter in the pan and then we add all our meat. We continue to mix with the flour, with the spoon. Okay, now all the meat are changed color, so it's ready. Okay, we have to close the fire. We are going to finish the filling for Cappelletti. So the meat is cooked with the butter, we already saw. Now we add the parmesan, breadcrumb. So we need to reach the filling that is not too dry, not too watery. Okay, now we add some broth, okay, the broth of Cappelletti, to find the right consistency. We are going to cut now for our Cappelletti the square. It's our model of the square. It's something like 5-6 centimeters. It's a square. So now we are going to cut our square. Okay, now we are going to fill our Cappelletti. The size should be something like this. Okay, in the middle. Here we are making the Cappelletti. We put the filling, don't put too much filling inside. Then we make a triangle, a little bit of water to glue the Cappelletti. We turn off and here we have our Cappelletto. Finally we have all our Cappelletti made with 100 grams of flour and 1 egg. Here we are, now we are going to boil and prepare the dish. Our Cappelletti are ready to cook, so we put enough water in the broth that is boiling and we wait 5 minutes to be ready. Our Cappelletti are ready, now we are going to serve in our bowl. Ready.
Thank you very much to have followed us in this video recipe, and I hope you repeat at home, and I want to wish you all the best for this Christmas holiday. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!
We wait for you next year with our cooking class. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. If you have any further questions, you can reach us at letorri.com. Hello.
Ciao to everyone!
Ciao.
Ciao ciao ciao!